know what I'm saying? See the name right there. Like 11, I think. Turtleneck, Tom Ford.
Racks,
like a rack. Oh, 2 racks. Trousers, Tom Ford, a rack. Crocodile, Tom Ford shoes, 15. Chain, custom progressive diamond link, Jason of Beverly Hills, like 200. Richard Mille RM69, 750, 750, 750, 750.
Before we get into the video that you actually came here to watch, I just wanted to introduce you lot to my brand new online store that I've created recently. It's a bit bare bones at the moment. I'm only selling t-shirts for now, but once it starts picking up, I will start introducing new clothes. And if you are interested, it is linked in my description, so be sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Oh man, it's got to that all important time of the show. Once again, my favorite part of the show. Who that?
Does Drake have drip? So obviously Drake has been around for a very long time and his fashion has sort of changed / evolved throughout the years. So yeah, that's what we're going to be taking a look at. Starting off with his most questionable outfits. These are the outfits that you actually question yourself, like is Drake alright in the head? Okay, so let's start off something light. This outfit looks decent. And then you look at the shoes, like what the hell are those shoes with all black with the all yellow shoes? Get out of here, mate. Nope.
The fuck is that?
Oh man, trust me.
Savage,
Oh my
bro.
goodness.
Okay, what the hell is this outfit? Yeah, this guy's been listening to too much Neo, a little bit of Michael Jackson or whatever, but brother, this is not it. This is really not it.
I told you, nigga. This ain't it, Chief. That's what I would have told you.
It's got his foot on your neck, man.
This one is actually hilarious. This guy looks like a full-on science teacher.
Now, say my name.
Those trousers, what are those trousers?
Oh, your trousers are funny, fam. Karate trousers.
Okay, so these fits just keep on getting worse and worse. This fit was definitely inspired by Kanye West probably in like 2010, I want to say. Yeah, not a good look. He's even got the little love heart, the CDG love heart on it. Yeah, not a good look. This photo just screams 2010 as well. Like, what the hell are those Jordans? The all purple hoodie. I mean, it's not a bad look, but obviously if you rocked up in this like today, you know, it just wouldn't hit. Another science teacher look. I love the way he's just got the glasses in like the t-shirt. Funny. The trousers even funnier.
Karate trousers.
I don't know what the hell we thought by stepping out on this, but this is definitely not it. He low-key looks like a lesbian. I'm sorry, but yeah.
Put your foot on people's neck out here, bro. Let them breathe a little piece, my guy.
He fully looks like Jesus, and he's doing the pose as well. He's got the Jesus sandals. He's got the like the roby sort of fit. Yeah, this is a big no-no. What are you doing, Drake?
You idiot. You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Okay, and now we're saving the best to last.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Like, my eyes are hurting just looking at this. My man's got on a pair of boat shoes, a pair of 3/4 length jean trousers, a flowery top, a bow tie, a bright yellow like vest or whatever, glasses of like, he don't even need glasses, like, he can actually see, you know, he's never known to wear glasses. Like, bruv, what even is this?
I told you, nigga. This ain't it, Chief. That's what I would have told you.
And his face just wraps up. I don't know who told him to wear this, but they need to be fired ASAP. Okay, so now we have his outfits that I personally think are hard. This one is decent, like, it's nothing crazy. I do fuck with the jacket a lot. That fur jacket is gas. I believe the Stone Island trousers as well, you know, decent. Okay, I can't even lie, this fit actually goes hard. The camo trousers, decent. I don't really fuck with camo, but decent. But what I do like about this is the coat or the jacket. The way that the top half is just all purple and then it slowly fades into white. Crazy. Yeah, I do rate that a lot. I'm not sure what brand this is. I want to say Stone Island because this is something that Stone Island would actually make, but I'm not too sure. This fit is alright as well. Obviously, just got the casual Air Forces with the jeans, but that jacket, that jacket is actually gas. I don't know what it is about the paisley print, but I do fuck with it a lot. This fit is decent. Obviously, you got the Chrome Heart trousers, I believe. I don't really know too much about Chrome Heart, but I know they are a decent brand. Decent. The LV bag is gas, I can't lie, and just a normal North Face, you know, very stylish. This is very unique. I haven't seen anything like this before. I think that's like a vesty sort of thing. It's something that LV would probably make. I'm not sure, but I do rate it. Alright, so this is what sort of Drake wears nowadays. Some sort of like trench coat, very stylish, obviously very minimalistic as well. I do fuck with this look a lot. Obviously you need money to actually rock this, but yeah, I do rate this. This outfit I really fuck with. Obviously he's got the Timberlands on. I believe those are the OVO Timberlands as well. Obviously OVO is his brand. They did a collaboration with Timberlands. I do fuck with them shoes a lot as well.
Come on, son!
I like that.
This flannel goes hard. Yeah, just a clean fit. I can't even lie. But yeah, let me quickly talk about OVO real quick because I have to take my hat off to this brand because this brand is so it's an actual brand. You know, like it isn't like merchandise or you know they don't really use Drake's name to sell the clothes. Like the clothes speak for itself. And yeah, like they've done numerous collaborations with D Squared, Barcelona. Yeah, just a well-rounded brand, you know, and I think I am going to make a video on this brand because yeah, I don't feel like people give it the respect that it is due. Okay, cool. So let me talk about Drake's Stone Island days, yeah, because this was such a moment in history. I'm not even joking. Obviously, Stone Island is very popular in the UK culture, and Drake does take a lot of inspiration from the UK culture. Obviously, doing songs with Giggs, Skepta.
Oh, what's poppin', man's never been in Marquee when it's shut down, eh? Trust me, daddy.
And also Dave, that song he's got with Dave is one of my favourite songs. Probably not one of my favourite songs, but I do rate it. And yeah, like there was a time where Drake was rocking Stone Island basically every day. In this photo, he looks like a fucking football manager, but still a hard photo.
The way you've embraced British culture will be remembered forever.
He even got a Stone Island chain. You know how fucking crazy that is, like to get a Stone Island chain. And also this photo, this photo is such a hard photo.
Come on!
I'm not even joking. The way he's got all of his trophies or all of his awards, and he's got the Stone Island badge, he's got a serious face, gas. Okay, cool. And now we have Drake Supreme days. I'm sure majority of rappers did wear Supreme back in the day. It wasn't like he popularized it or made it famous or anything, but he did rock it a little bit. Also him wearing a box logo. This is a calm fit, nothing crazy. I think this is a CDG box logo, I want to say. Decent, like nothing else to really say. And obviously the infamous North Face leopard print jacket that he wore in one of his music videos. I can't remember the music video, but yeah, this is actually gas. I feel like he like made this one famous or like, you know, made it popular.
My brother, come on then!
And I believe this was one of North Face's first collaborations with Supreme. And for Drake to be wearing it, like he must have been clued up or people around him must have been clued up. I don't know, but for him to wear that, yeah, that is fire. And this is also another Supreme fit, obviously. This looks fake as fuck. I'm not even joking. Like, is that even a Supreme box logo? Can you call that a box logo? I don't know. It looks like he got it from his local market or whatever. Yeah, I'm really not sure. Alright, so does Drake have drip? He does have drip, but what am I going to rate it? This is very hard because obviously I have to take all of his styles into consideration and just, you know, give it a one number. I don't know. I can't give it an 8. I can't because, you know, all of that shit from back in the day just holds it down. Like, that is a full-on anchor. I want to give him a 7.4. Yeah, a 7.4 does seem alright because, like, obviously him with the Stone Island gas, obviously his clothing now is very, very impressive. Like, he does wear like the trench coats and, you know, he looks very like surty. Yeah, a 7.4, that isn't too bad. Yeah, but that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.